Hey y'all, it's Keisha and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be trying some clip-ins and I'm really excited because they are completely highlighted full color clip-ins and I've never done color before. So let's get started. Okay, so the clip-ins that I bought are from Noor Hair. It's N-N-O-R. So I think it's pronounced Noor and not Noir. Anyways, let's continue. So I bought 2 packs of, their 22-inch caramel brown highlighted bundles. And yeah, I'm just gonna put them in and we're gonna see what it's giving. I'm really nervous. I don't know how this is gonna look on me. And this company, I just randomly saw them on Instagram. Like my For You page, my explore page on Instagram is literally just hair, makeup, and cats. That's it. So I saw this hair and I was like, that looks so pretty. And so I decided to take a chance and get some. I will say that this hair actually does look a bit lighter in person to me than it did on the website. Like it looked a little bit of a darker brown with caramel brown highlights, which is why I got it, because I was like, oh, if I'm gonna do color, I want to kind of ease into it. But then when it came, I was like, this looks really blonde. So I don't know, child, but we gonna see what it looks like. This hair is really blonde, oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. I'm glad I already have my makeup done so I can see like what everything's gonna be looking like in the end. You know, the full effect. And I have done color before, but with braids, and that is a very different thing than bundles, I feel like. And then this side, there's not really a lot of room, so I'm just gonna do a 1. This is what the color is looking like. I think it does look nice. However, it's definitely a lot lighter than it looked in the picture. Like, this is a lot more, I just dropped my brush. This is a lot more blonde than the picture was giving. But it looks nice. Everything's laying super flat. Okay, getting a little bit of blonde in my brush, but not too much, so not a lot of shedding. This looks cute. This is definitely a very different look for me. This looks really nice. I'm gonna insert a picture of the clip-ins, or the picture that is online, and I swear, y'all, there was like not this much blonde. Or I'm tripping. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but let me know, because I feel like this is just a lot lighter than what I was expecting. But I am going to try and curl this just to see what the full potential could look like. So I'm gonna be using my Kenra thermal styling spray and this Babyliss, I don't know, I think this is like a 1.5 inch barrel, and we're gonna curl this hair and we're gonna see what it's giving. Okay, I clearly don't know how to curl. Hold up. Am I doing this wrong? Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it is worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. Alright, y'all, I started doing some lazy curls by the time I got to this side. I was getting tired. I was like, this, ooh, I'm dropping stuff. I was like, this is too much. But I'm just gonna take some of my Sacred Nourishing Oil and run that through. Like, even these curls on this side weren't coming out that great because I pulled out the flat iron, or the curling iron, and I was like, I haven't used this in so long. I literally do not know how to curl my hair. So it's giving more waves. It's giving more beach wave. But I tried, y'all. This smells so good. Okay, but all in all, this hair, I feel like it can curl. I just feel like I'm not great at curling, so that's why it looks wavy. Like I said, it's giving beach wave. But all in all, I feel like this hair, it just feels really nice. Like, a lot of the there wasn't a lot of shedding like in the brush I showed you. It was just a little bit. I really like it. It looks really pretty. It's a very, very different look for me, but I do like it. The wefts are laying really flat. Oops, I did not mean to brush through it that much. I barely have any curls and I'm just brushing them away. All right, what do we think, guys? Again, this is the 22 inches. And this is what it's looking like. I do feel like it's a little short for 22 inches. But this is really pretty. Really, really pretty. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. What do we think, y'all? Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
I walk like this, I walk like this. I just in the video, I don't edit my pics. I work for it, I'm on my and when I'm walking by, I know the truth is